excited, Barn? You excited? You're going to meet Santa? And that nice man said he's got a bone for you, Santa has, to give you. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're here today at the Reindeer Lodge in Mould to check out their Christmas event and see some reindeers. We're all here today. It's me and Lindsay.
And Barn.
And Barney. Say hello, Barn. So yeah, this is an event we can all do as a family. We can take the dog with us. He's not allowed out on the lead with the reindeers. We're not allowed out of the car though, so we're all in the same boat here. We're going to go see some reindeers and we're going to see the big man himself, Santa. So let's go.
Apparently, he's got a bone for Barney.
He's got a bone for Barney, yeah, we were told he's got a bone for Barney, so let's get out there, let's go see Santa. Time for another excellent question. Tune in till the end to find out the answer. So we're currently here in the arrival toilets, dog exercise area, but got quite a good trail, so you go through Santa's land. There's lots of reindeers, Reindeer Land, the Enchanted Valley, and Toy Town. If you do bring your kids, you can actually get a gift from Santa for your kids when you meet him, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Like I say, we're here at the toilets, and he's just gone the loo. I'm going to go for the loo, and then we'll get Barney out and have a little bit of a wander around. And then we've got to go back in the car and go drive round. We've just been told the next toilet's from here, 45 minutes away, so looks like it's quite a big trail. It does look quite busy, so might be sitting in a lot of traffic as we go. Just here at the toilets and dog exercise area, giving Barney a little bit of a walk around before we go in the old Santa's village area. This way, mate, this way. Yeah, it looks busy over there. So that's where you go to enter. They say if you want any food and drink, you order it and then they bring it out to your car, which looks a really nice idea as well. I'll have to have a look at that. Right, buddy. Somewhere new for Barn. Barney, are you excited about seeing Santa? You excited about seeing Santa? Santa, you're going to see Santa in a bit. You're going to see Santa. Santa. No, you're not bothered, are you? You're not bothered about Santa. But you look like you're enjoying being out and about and being somewhere new. So yeah, you can order your festive food and drink. Please order your festive food and drink on arrival for delivery straight to your car door, and it's all through a QR code.
Just takes 3 hours.
Just takes
signal's dead bad. Look, my internet's gone again. Back to menu.
Oh, an error has occurred. On the menu.
Roast pork, roast beef, roast turkey, pigs in blanket, roast potatoes, minted pea fritters, vegan sausage roll, tea Americano latte, Pepsi, gift shop, antler, headband, Christmas spot.
How about soup cone?
Doggy treat cone.
Let's get the doggy treat cone, eh?
Is that added?
Treat cone we bought for Barn, haven't we? You're going to enjoy that later, aren't you? You'll love that.
Yeah, and some doggy treats. He's a lucky boy.
I think I'm going to have the turkey, I think. Additional roast turkey. What are you having?
I've
got the internet now. Come on to this.
Well, it won't even load for me.
That's the problem, innit? The problem is... The problem is, it's all well and good, but because we are in the middle of nowhere, every so often the internet falls out, which is what's happened here. First spotting of some reindeers here.
Hey, Mom, what's this?
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Barney, look.
Oh, it's donning and dancing and blitzing. Oh, just nameless.
Hot chocolate drive-thru is the talk of the town. Breaking news just coming in. Rumors of Santa's missing present bag have just been confirmed by Toy Town's officials, who are drafting in Toy Town's top inspector, Detective Sherbert Scones. Of course, Sherbert Scones recently been in the news of suspicion of candy cane overindulgence. However, his track record of...
So as we've come on, they've told you can order food, and they deliver it here, I think, by the look of it. So we've ordered a turkey sandwich. This is the last order point though, so it is a bit busy around here. Internet's not great. It's taken us a good 10-15 minutes to actually order just because of the internet. But Barney's got a treat cone as well. So I've got a turkey sandwich. He's got a vegan pea fritter sandwich, and Barney's got a treat. I think we collect them here then.
Look, it says Christmas, like vegan pea fritters.
Oh, delicious. Yeah, turkey bap, looks good, tastes nice. And Barney's got this little treat cone. He's going to enjoy that, aren't you, Barn? Just waiting on Lindsay's pea fritter, but I'm going to eat this quick so that the reindeers don't get a chance to eat it. So that's your pea fritter. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Off we go. Been loaded in.
Nice. For a list that Santa would check not once, but twice. And who join the magical kingdom now for their latest broadcast news.
There has been a new traffic light system in the North Pole. A 5-mile-per-hour speed limit on all non-flying vehicles must be adhered to. All visitors are asked to stay on the tracks and keep off the grass, and please remain in your vehicle at all times. All drivers are asked to use their hazard lights whenever they require assistance. The Toy Town recovery team will be with you in record time. The noise list is at an all-time high, with present production hitting record levels. The Toy Town hot chocolate drive-thru is the talk of the town. Breaking news just coming in. Rumours of Santa's missing present bag have just been confirmed by Toy Town's officials, who are drafting in Toy Town's top inspector, Detective Sherbert Scones. Of course, Sherbert Scones recently been in the news of suspicion of candy cane overindulgence. However, his track record of solving cases are second to none, including the rise and fall of Humpty Dumpty, how the Grinch stole Christmas, and of course, where was Wally? I'm being told we can actually go over to Detective Sherbert Scones now. Thank you for joining us, Detective. And I see you have brought Watson from the Mountain Reindeer Rangers with you.
Yes, thank you. Watson will be assisting me with the investigation. Won't you? Yes, he will.
So how are you going to tackle this case? As surely, being this close to Christmas and the present bag missing, Santa won't be able to deliver all the presents.
Yes, quite right. How is Santa going to deliver the presents without his present bag? Well, I think the best way to tackle this case is with an organised search. We have a vast area to cover. What was that? Sorry. Yes, so we will need the help of our Reindeer Rangers to assist us.
Thank you, Detective Sherbert Scones. So, that is a call out to all you Reindeer Rangers to assist Detective Sherbert Scones. Please make your way to Toy Town.
Have a lovely
That's all the news for now. I'm Fiona Spruce. Good luck.
Your pea and mint
Nice, should I try?
bap. Do you know what? I will
Bit
try. I
like
don't
onion
normally
bhaji
like trying
type things
vegan
with mint
food, but I'll
sauce.
give it a go.
Nice.
Rangers set on their way.
What's your drink, fella?
Not the best. That I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan personally.
Drink time.
Thank you.
Here we go. Off we go. Let's go see Santa. There we we go. Oh, look. Look over there. More reindeers.
Come on. Don't you dare bark at him.
Let's get barked. He hasn't barked yet.
Hi.
Hello.
Have you guys managed to got any reindeer passes or something that you want to talk about?
No.
They've got a picture of a reindeer in them.
No.
There's been a lot going on today, so I'm doing
Thank
Thank you. Nobody gave me no pass. Secondly, I didn't think they'd get me. They haven't got any reindeer pass. I think you could smell that here, but I don't think it's free. It's living life, isn't it?
Your little nose going.
You're loving life, aren't you, back there, mate?
You have fun, Barn?
He loves the smell of trees in
Just
the
call
morning.
me the world's best dog, Mum.
Got for you, Barn, a treat from the stocking. How you like these ones? Go on. Oh, yes, lovely. Oh, delicious little dog treat. Yeah, now you like them.
We're moving.
Yeah, you like that one, don't you, Barn? We're off in the moment.
Hi.
So we're in the Elves village. Do hot chocolate here as well, so you can order a Drive-Thru hot chocolate. Kringle's confectionery. So yeah, up here ahead is where you collect your hot chocolate. Just seen them bring one out, it looks really good. Well, look at them. Oh, they look good. They look good hot chocolates, they do. Oh, that's nice. There's the train there. Elf train. Reminds me of a joke, that does. Why did they go on strike at Santa's workshop? Because there was no elf and safety.
Amazing. What have you asked for?
Today? No, I'm not really interested in it, sure.
This is round the corner.
I know.
My goodness. Have a great time.
Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Toy Workshop. Being waved in from the chief elf. Let's go.
No kids in that car, is there?
No kids.
You've got a dog though. Can I stroke your dog?
Yeah. See if we can get to him.
We just brought the dog to see the reindeers.
Yes, you should. Hello. You look like Waffle. Hello. Oh my God, stop. You're making me broody for a bully dog.
Right, guys, I'll let you through.
Thank you. Thank you. Got it, yeah. Smells hard at work. Oh. What's going on here?
Hello everybody, give me a wave. My name's Elf Trixie. After 3, can you shout your name so we know who's here? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Amazing! Well, welcome to our toy workshop. It's the most magical place. Even the presents are magic. Look. See, you think it's just a box, right? But it's a floating box. How is Pixie doing that? But it's not just a floating box. We've got an elf in the box. It's Elf Tiny. Oh, don't get them confused with the elves on the shelves, because the ones in the boxes, they're more mischievous. Trust me. Now, we often get asked, how do we get your presents into your home for Christmas Day? Well, if we don't use the magic key, we've got to go down the chimney. So first of all, we've got to make sure that it's empty. It's all clear. Then we've got to make sure, of course, Santa can fit. Oh, he won't fit in that one. Oh yeah, then there's the special magic dust. A giant cute teddy bear, cuter than Santa. Oh, look at minute, Santa. That's a message from him now. If you'll excuse me, we've got to take that message. Can you take that message? It's always too quick. Nah. Should we find out what Santa's got to say? Santa's present bag's gone missing. Right, we will stay and search the toy workshop, but we're going to need the help of the Reindeer Rangers. Can you help us? You're going to have to search the rest of the land. Now you, yes you, you're going to lead your search party down to Elvesville, stop at the purple sign, and help us to save Christmas. Good luck, everybody. Goodbye. You stay searching there. I'm going to search here. Oh, nothing in there. How did she fit in that? I mean, it's just a box. Candy cane, my favourite.
Some reindeers, Bob.
Three chairs, 3 bowls of porridge, and 3 beds. It can mean only one thing, what's it? It's the 3 little pigs. Now those boys know how to build back bacon. Oh, crikey, what's it? You're right, the 3 bears. Let's go. Now what's it? Who lives in a house like this as the world's greatest detective? Let's look at the clues. We have 7 chairs, 7 pickaxes, and 7 beds. It can mean just one thing, what's it? It's the 3 little pigs with room for guests. Oh, of course, you're right, what's it? It's the 7 dwarves. Oh, an apple.
Oi, hands off, that's Snow White.
Okay, what's it? Let's go!
Reindeer village, isn't it, this now, tree? Let's see some reindeers.
After a lucky escape from Elvesville homes, the Rangers were joined again by sherbet scones as the search continues in Reindeer Land. Their own body temperature, one of their most unique adaptations, is that they can click when they walk. So even if they cannot see through a snow blizzard, they can still hear and stay with their herd around them. But contrary to popular belief, most reindeer are not actually wild, nor do they all migrate to the tundra. To the enchanted valley, the Rangers must travel for an amazing sight through a tunnel of light.
Barney, leave the reindeers alone, eh? Leave the reindeers a bit. We don't like reindeers. I just realised Barney don't like reindeers. Barney, leave the reindeers alone.
Barney. For a week, why is it sad bark at him now?
Oh, we're going in a big light tunnel now. So we've learned that Barney doesn't like reindeers. That's what we've learned. Looks like there's a giant castle there.
The Santa's bag must be somewhere here. Look, what's it? The enchanted castle! We've had many a fantastic works party. Not a party, a works event in the enchanted castle. What's that?
You're quite right. We don't have time to be reminiscing. We have work to do. You're right. We need to find Santa's present bag. Reindeer Rangers, have you seen it anywhere? Shout to me. Tell me if you can see it.
Over there.
What?
Oh, is that it there?
It's over here.
It could well be that.
No.
That could be.
It's over behind me.
No, it's not. It's
What?
over here, mate.
It's over here. Oh gosh. Santa's sack really is massive. Santa's sack really is massive. Well, that's another case solved single-handed.
So it looks like it's time to meet Santa.
Merry Christmas, Reindeer Rangers! And thank you for saving Christmas. My goodness me, without you, I wouldn't have a toy bag to put my toys in. You found it. Fantastic news. And talking of toys, we're giving you a little gift now to say thank you for actually finding my bag. But have we actually got our list together yet, children? Do we know what we want for Christmas?
What have you got, Barn? What have you had?
Hello, anybody
What have you had, Barn? A little teddy. That'll be destroyed
Do we
within
know
minutes.
what we want for Christmas, children? Can we?
That's fine.
Okay. Now, are we all on the good list at home? Are we all being good children? Keeping our bedrooms nice and tidy, doing our homework from school. This lot aren't. All right, okay. Naughty children in that car up there. Okay. And Christmas Eve, are we going to be good children, going to bed nice and early? Yes? No peeking from under the duvet like we normally do. I know there's a few peekers in that car over there. And what about leaving Santa something nice to eat and drink? Can we do that as well? Wonderful. Well, it looks like my sleigh is about ready to take for a test drive. I've had a few problems with the boosters on it lately, so I'm going to take it for a spin. I'll see you all on Christmas Eve, okay? Yeah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, come on, you can try better than that. Come on. One. He's got it. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. So we've just done the Reindeer Lodge drive there. Cute little story, I thought, actually. Really enjoyed it. We had to go and find Santa's sack. A bit awkward when he said at the end, though, Santa's got a big sack.
I thought there was some jokes for the adults in that.
Yeah, there was definitely some jokes for the adults there, if that wasn't. But it was good. We paid £22.50 for that experience. It is like on a range kind of ticket, so depending on when you go, there's a different price. You can go at night.
And it is per car as well. It's not per person. You just pay £22.50 for the car. So, as many or as few people as you want in it.
Right, it's really good because we paid £22.50, and if we'd had 3 kids in the back, they'd have all got presents from Santa, which I thought was brilliant. They gave Barney a little teddy. So, yeah, I mean, I think it's bargain, that. We did get collared for a picture at the end. We didn't really want £7.50, but you do these things, don't you, at Christmas. But I thought it was really cute. I thought it was really nice. Thought there'd have been more reindeer. Did sound like we were going to see lots and lots of reindeer, but weren't actually.
I'm glad we didn't, really, considering the dog started going doolally at him.
Oh yeah, you didn't like him, did you? Didn't like him, did you, Bard? No, he wasn't a fan of reindeer. But yeah, if you're looking for something to do Christmas, come round, get down to Mould and do their reindeer trail. But thanks for watching today. Please like, share, subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll hatch you again soon. Earlier on, I asked this excellent question. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again soon.